Laura Riggs is currently the longest-serving teacher at Northeast ISD's Ed White Middle School.
This is my 34th year at Ed White.
Riggs, who also coaches basketball, track, and soccer, began her career back in 1987 at the age of 23.
I taught next to him. We shared a curtain. Things have changed a lot, of course, in 34 years. Technology when I first started was an overhead projector, and that was it. And my first room had a whopping 4 plugs, and that was more than you needed. Having a smart board versus, I had blackboards in my first rooms, and they were green. And on one of them, you couldn't even write on it because it wouldn't show up.
And after more than 3 decades in education, she's gone from chalkboard to Zoom and says it's important to stay flexible and learn to adapt.
That's why I like telling my kids that the job I started with is not the job I have now. And pretty much any job you have is not going to stay the same over a whole career.
She's worked alongside hundreds of teachers and taught more than 5,000 students at Ed White, many of which helped pull her through a tough period in her life.
I have multiple sclerosis. I've had it since '98. And my teachers in my department, they carried me. I missed 20 days. I was hospitalized. I would come back and I had papers ready to go. I had lesson plans made for me. I just had to show up and teach. And the kids, I mean, God bless our children. They shine. They would see me struggling, they wait, open the door for me. There's me back in 1987.
And she's even taught a lot of her students' parents.
It's really helpful to say to a kid, I taught your mom. I don't play. She knows that. Like, yes, ma'am, she told me.
Riggs says her goal is to teach for 3 more years, for a total of 36. Until then, she looks forward to coming to school every morning to see what the day brings.
You make a difference every single day. These kids need me, and I need them because they keep me young at heart. And that's the thing, that it's never the same job. There's never a dull moment here. Sometimes you might want a dull moment, but you're not going to get one. And so that's what keeps it coming back.